trip to the Santa Monica's Farmers Market is more of an adventure than an errand. Locals and top chefs like Josiah Citrin come here on a regular basis to buy the finest seasonal organic produce. Today, Josiah's restaurant, Michelin, has the amazing award of 2 Michelin stars. So close to Hollywood, that's like winning an Oscar. Later on, I'm going to be cooking with Josiah in his beautiful kitchen, and we'll be making an authentic French meal, beginning with Josiah's version of French onion soup. It's a creamy recipe finished off with his signature twist, crab cakes. For the main course, Liberty duck breast à l'orange served with a colourful blood-orange introduction and tender baby turnips. Desserts on me. Warm crispy beignet served alongside a spiced chocolate sauce over a delicious cream gelato. So join me, Ashley James, as we start our day visiting this beautiful market. I'm Chef Ashley James. When I'm not catering to the demands of stars in LA, I'm touring the world cooking with culinary geniuses. Take your gourmet passport and learn how to cook like a master chef and eat like a celebrity. Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of Cuisine Culture. I'm feeling pretty lucky to be sat here, poolside, north of San Diego, in a beautiful coastal town. I'm here for a very special reason, to meet the hotel's executive chef, Paul McCabe, who helms the restaurant 1540, an amazing restaurant here within the hotel that he opened about a year ago. He combines his solid French culinary tradition and foundation with a farm-to-table philosophy. By using the freshest seasonal produce and hormone-free meat, he has gained the respect of local celebrities and food critics. Today we're making a dynamic meal that celebrates Chef McCabe's passion for using local ingredients, beginning with a colourful beet salad that's finished with sweet caramelized yogurt, savoury Valdeon cheese and crunchy candied pistachios. For the main course, Californian lamb loin paired up with heirloom carrots and a spiced pepper jam that's the perfect pairing for this tender, mild meat. Don't miss dessert. We're preparing a creamy white chocolate panna cotta filled high with farm-fresh strawberries, rhubarb consommé, and for a twist, strawberry snow. So join me, Ashley James, as we start our day with a visit to Crow's Pass Farm before heading back to the kitchen.